What's up, guys? I didn't really want to make a video this morning because I'm not a YouTuber. I don't really like making videos, but every now and then I got to. So I just wanted to show you guys CUEN. Identified this one this morning. CUEN. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. Gold time is right there. It was already on an up movement, so jumped in right here really quick. You'll notice I got filled. I actually jumped in. I didn't get filled for some reason. I tried to jump in right here. I didn't get filled. And then I hit the buy button again down here. And it quickly went down. And then it filled me down there. Which um, I was trying to get filled down here. And it just, I don't know. Sometimes you don't get filled. So, that's beyond our control. But it quickly went down. And then it filled me. I tried to cancel this order. But it quickly got filled, which I didn't want 8,000 shares, but it wasn't a bad thing because it was on its way up anyways. So I was trying to cancel this order, but before I canceled it, it got filled. But let me play the video so I could show you guys. As you can see, this is the video right here. I'm normally looking at the daily chart to see where it's going to run into some issues. So I know this right here was a good support below gold time right there. You can see it went up, 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 and then went down. So of course I'm going to put a line right there just to know if it does go down, where is it going to bounce, right? So now above gold time, you can see right here is an issue. And then the next problem area is way up there, which is the 1228 area. But the 904 area, if I could jump in above gold time and take 35.45 cents, that's the strategy. Every day I try to take 35.45 cents in and out, and I could hit my goal, right? So let me show you guys what happened. I'm gonna play the video here, and let's hit play. All right, so this is the daily chart. So now I switch back to my 1 minute chart. As you can see, this is the area. If it did drop, it's gonna bounce on this line because that's what we identified. And then over here is basically the next problem area. So we're trying to take 25.35 cents. So as you can see, it's 15 seconds left for the bell to ring. I was looking at BLIN, but BLIN was nowhere near gold time, so I didn't want to trade that one. So now it's 5 seconds left for the bell to ring. Now watch this. My order is not gonna get filled. Watch. As soon as it pops above gold time, I hit this. Look, I didn't get filled. Look, so I hit it a second time. Look, and then it went down a little bit. I got filled, so I zoomed in a little bit. So that's what happened. The first order right here didn't get filled, and then I hit it a second time. I got filled, but then it dropped and then popped back up. And I was giving it a chance. I thought it was gonna go to the 904, but it was hesitating a little bit. It even went below my entry for a little while, so I knew this thing was still strong. So I was like, you know what, if it goes below this candle here, I'll just get out. Or even if it goes to if it goes below this candle here, I was just gonna get out. But I felt it was strong. It was a lot of volume. It was growing, so it wasn't moving as fast as I wanted it to move. So I decided, you know what, the next pop, I'm just gonna get out, and I sold right there, and that was it. Sometimes you gotta give the stock, let the stock do what it's supposed to do. Sometimes I'll hang on to them a little bit longer, but that's because I'm in a good position where I've been doing this for a while, so I have some capital. So if you're starting out, you want to get in and out fast. You don't want to give it a chance to go below this because this is a big drop. I don't know if you guys can handle because from 826, let me pause this. From 826 to about 810, if you can't take a 20 cent, well, this is like 16 cents. If you can't handle a 16-cent loss, you might want to lower your share size or maybe sell as fast as possible once it goes back below gold time. But me, I can handle a 15-20 cent loss. So for me, if it goes down 20 cents, that's when I'll start getting ready to sell. But for the most part, jumping in at 26, and I ended up selling at 50, right around 850. Actually, let me pull this up. You can see I bought here at 836, and then it dropped down. I tried to cancel this. The first order didn't get filled. So this was the first order at 8:28. As soon as it popped above go time, I jumped in. I didn't get filled. And then I it was still strong. Volume was still kicking in. So I hit the buy button again, and I was about to cancel this order, but then it dropped and got filled, which was a good thing. And then it ended up going all the way back up to 850. As you can see, I sold at 850. So now that's a good 35-45 cent move, and I hit my goal. So, you know, I try to take between 35-45 cents. That's all I need. And then I'm good after that. But that's all that happened today. That was it. It was very quick, very easy. I mean, this thing's strong. Like, look at this thing. I'll show you guys. If you look, this thing went from like $2 and it went all the way up to almost 8. So this thing's strong. I mean, it wasn't going to get stopped. It was over 100% pre-market. So we already knew it was going to make a nice pop. So it was just a matter of how big of a pop is it going to do. And that was the issue that I was trying to. I was hoping that it went up to 904 area, but it just didn't. So it was hesitating a while, so I just got out, took my profits. Hit my goal anyway, so that's all that matters. Also, if you guys don't have trade ideas, how am I finding these stocks, right? How am I finding trade ideas? Trade ideas is how I'm finding them. If you look, I signed up to Trade Ideas. If you look right here, it tells you this thing is up 192% right now. I'm guessing right now. And then, but it was right here this morning, and BLIN was right there this morning. So these are my pre-market movers, and I'm always looking at the top gainers. So now, when I see the top gainers, obviously I know where I'm gonna jump in. I do have my buying criteria, and if it fits my buying criteria, then I'm gonna take a shot at it. You know, we don't win every day, but for the most part, we win pretty consistently. So I win pretty consistently. So you know, sometimes you gotta give the stock a chance. I know a lot of people would probably, as soon as it start dropping, they would sell. But again, you gotta know your threshold. You gotta know, okay, is 15-cent drop gonna hurt me? Of course, sell. But also another thing you could do is take smaller size, which, you know, if the stock drops 5-10 cents, you know, it doesn't hurt you, and you can still hang on to it. And look, it turned around and just popped right back up and ended up making a nice profit. So, and this is all in 1 minute's time frame. You look, I jumped in at 9:03, which 9:30:03 seconds, and then took another trade there, and then I was done by 9:30:56 seconds. So in 1 minute, we hit a nice profit of 14.40. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Also, I'm about to start training new people how to do this and what I look for, how to set up your charts, how to set up your trade ideas. I'm going to give you guys my layouts. I'm thinking about starting back. I stopped training for a while. I just be busy, and training is not like something I need to do. So I just kind of like, you know, as long as I'm making my 1,000 a day, I'm good. I don't really need to train anyone, but I decided I'm gonna start training more people. Why? Because I just want to make more money, to be honest, you know. But I'm getting a lot of people who's hitting me up and wanting to know how to do this, and I don't want them to go learn the wrong way, and I don't want them to go lose more money than they should. That's another reason why I do this, because I do this so people don't lose money. Because if you go and try to learn this on your own, you're going to lose a lot of money before you learn the strategy, right? You're going to take a lot of losses before you actually learn how to do it properly, how to look for what to trade, how to set up your platform. Like, you know how long it took me just to figure out how to set this platform up the way I like it, you know, and the way that's easy for others to learn. Like, even with this, like, it took me a while to get this layout, you know what I mean? So finally I got this layout set up. I got this layout, and now instead of me like it took me like a whole year to figure out a solid platform. The just the layout, because I used to have a. If you guys look way back in my older videos, my platforms used to be all different. Now you can see it just stays the same because this is very easy. It's very convenient. It's, you know, I don't need to change much anymore because this is what I like. So now when I'm training people, I just basically go and take the layout and I give it to them for free. You know what I'm saying? So you get this layout for free. You get this layout for free. You don't have to change anything. Everything works good. Now, if you want to tweak it yourself, it's up to you. But I think this is perfect. So that's why I don't even need to change it anymore. So this is like, I don't need to change it. So it took me a couple years to even have it set up to where I don't feel like changing it anymore. So that's going to come with time. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment below. Also, you guys know I do stocks and real estate. You guys see this over here, right? It says stocks and real estate. So I trade for about 30 minutes per day, 30 minutes to an hour. I hardly ever trade for an hour. As you guys can see today, I only took 1 minute. So I don't really trade for the whole hour, to be honest. I don't even trade for a whole 30 minutes, but sometimes I sit here for 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour. I don't like doing the hour thing. I just can't sit for a long time. So you guys know I do the real estate thing. So now I am looking to actually buy some properties. I just bought two properties in PA. I'm hanging on to those for long term. I'll probably keep them for like 10, 20 years. You know, we picked up houses in Ohio. We picked up houses in New Jersey. We're targeting Orlando right now. Anyone in the Orlando area who knows anyone who's willing to sell a property, anyone, but we're looking for properties that needs work. You know, they have to be they have to like need some work, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get them, fix them up, and put money into them and then sell them for a profit. I got to be able to make a profit. I'm not looking to pay retail for properties. I know we're in a seller's market right now, so a lot of people are getting over asking price and whatever. There's bidding wars, but there's still people out there who inherited properties, or maybe they just like getting a divorce, or something's not right, you know, going on with their situation. Maybe they got a new job somewhere else and they got to move fast. Anyone who wants fast cash for their properties, I'm interested in buying, or at least take a look at it. And even if I don't buy it, I'll help you. You know, I have other buddies of mine who are investors. I'll help you move them. So if you guys know anyone who's looking to sell, hit me up on the email and I'll be able to help you guys out. I want to buy them myself, because now I'm trying to buy properties and hang on to them for like 10, 15 years, because now's a good time to be buying and holding on for. It's always a good time to buy and hold. So, I mean, buying and holding, real estate goes up over time anyways. So buying and holding is always a good thing. But I'm looking for properties that needs work. If you guys can get me any properties that need work, I'm buying. So just throwing that out there. My email is below if you have any properties. Also, if you want to learn this. And also, I know I've been charging a lot for the day trading, but it's because I feel like, you know, I'm putting a lot into my students. But yesterday, I saw this guy, he posted this post, right? And he was like, you know what? $1 million. And if you charge $100, all you need is 10,000 people. So I was thinking, do I really want to train 10,000 people? That's a lot of people. Because right now, I charge, here's $1 million. And right now, I charge 4,000 for training. And I only got to go through 250 people. Do I really? Or now I'm thinking, okay, a lot of people can't pay 4,000, and that's stopping them from training. Should I really? Will I get 10,000 people? If like that's gonna be a lot of that's gonna be a lot of people to train. I don't want to train 10,000 people. 250 sounds better to me, but you know, give me an idea what you guys think I should charge for my training. Because in the beginning it was about money, and now is money is too easy to make, and so money's not that important. I mean, money is important. I like to make money, but it's not for me. It's about helping people more now. You know, before I like to help people and make a lot of money, but now as I'm getting more mature and more educated as far as like people's struggles and stuff like that, I'm thinking about like lowering my price to like a very small amount, and then once I lower it to a very very small amount, I'm going to go ahead and just um, give more people more value. So if I can do that, then more people benefit and more people get to make solid incomes. So, but I haven't decided on, I'm definitely not going to do 100 because then I would have to go through 10,000 people. I don't want to go through 10,000 people. But if I could do like one or two Zoom meetings and invite maybe like a couple hundred people at a time, then I could probably go. Let's see, if I were to go, let's see, let's do 10,000. Let's say if I can get 200 people on a Zoom, then I would have to do 50 Zooms, right? Then I would have to do 50 Zoom calls with 200 people, and then each one of those 200 people would pay $100, right? Well, 50, man, that's 50 Zooms. That's a lot of Zoom meetings. But it could be done. I don't mind doing that. So let's see. Um, 200 times 100 times 50 Zooms. That's a million right there. I wouldn't mind doing 50 Zooms if 200 people sign up at $100. I just want to make sure it's worth my time, and also it's worth, I'm giving enough information for people to make their money back and then some. Because that's the whole point of it, man. I got to make people money, and I also got to make myself more money. So that's what I've been thinking. You guys can throw some ideas out there, comment below. Give me some ideas. What do you think is fair? What do you think I should do? I'll read some of the comments and I'll try to accommodate. But chances are I don't have to train anybody. I just keep trading and I'll just keep making my money. Like, I don't really need to train people. But this $1 million mark, it would be like, I would start like an investment fund with it. I'm thinking about like, okay, if I could just generate this 1 million just through training, then I could just take that 1 million and maybe I can just fund people's accounts with that $1 million, right? And teach you the same strategy and grow that 1 million and see what happens with that 1 million. But it would be money that's generated just to give to people to fund their trading accounts so they can trade that 1 million. So it's just thoughts that I'm thinking. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you guys want to partner up. I'm always looking for partners, but you got to bring good ideas to the table. If you don't have good ideas, have capital. But other than that, it's just certain things I've been thinking about. Because my boy, he just opened up this office and he loaded the office up with monitors and computers and desks. So I'm thinking, I don't want to open up an office, but I could have everyone doing it from home. You know what I mean? So everybody can work from home. You don't need to meet up at one place every day. People should be adults now, and you can, once you learn the system, you can do it from home. And then those same people, I want to train them as well how to wholesale houses and how to buy houses and keep them. And I just want to build a nice team that can generate a lot and keep duplicating the same system over and over and over and over. So if you guys have any inputs, go ahead and give me some ideas. It's just beginning thoughts, so nothing is concrete. I may not even do it because I kind of like my lifestyle of just working 1 or 2, 3 minutes, 30 minutes a day, and then just having the rest of the day off if I really want to. So if you guys have any ideas, go ahead and comment below. And don't forget, you guys, if you guys don't have trade ideas, go ahead and click the link below, and don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, share the video too, because other people may have better ideas than I do, and that's where, as a collective, you know, we could pick the good ideas and we can make it grow quicker. And if not, I'm sure, you know, it'll come together anyways, because things have been coming very well for me for some reason. Everything's coming together very nicely. I'm pretty happy. I'm in a good spot, so I'm pretty happy how things are going right now. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. I don't like making long videos. This was supposed to be a short video, but I kind of had a couple things that I wanted to throw out there into the universe, and hopefully you guys are hearing it and you guys are looking to partner up. Whoever's looking to partner up, just hit me up, because right now it's not about money for me anymore. I've already achieved money goals. I know how to make money. I've already achieved my money goals. So right now it's about helping people and getting them to the next level. And if I could do that, then I'll get better. I'll have a more gratification from just doing that. All right, so I'm about to let my doggies out. You know, I just fed them, and they gotta go out now. So I'm gonna hit you guys up maybe tomorrow, or if you guys comment, I'll make another video. But if you guys don't comment, then like I said, I'm not a YouTuber. I don't really I have outside meetings outside of the internet, so I could just go talk to my other partners, give them a call and do a Zoom meeting with them, and generate some funds for them and for myself that way. But if you guys want to be included, you know, leave a comment and let's make it happen. All right, guys. Talk to you guys another day.